Just I want to taste it.
Don't you know? Nothing comes free in this universe.
But I am a kid. How can I get money?
Then, tell me the spelling of apple.
A4. Apple.
No. I want the spelling of apple. I am giving you 10 minutes. Come with the spelling and take this apple.
Oh my friend, parrot. Oh my friend, parrot. Oh my friend, parrot. Oh my friend, parrot.
Tell me, my dear friends and crew, how can I help you?
I want the spelling of apple.
A P P L E apple.
A-P-P-L-E apple. A-P-P-L-E apple. A-P-P-L-E apple.
Have you got the spelling of apple?
A P P L E apple.
Nice, my dear boy. But you should go to school and learn so many things. Take this apple.
Oh my friend, parrot.
Tell me, my dear friend, any problem?
No problem. Due to you, I won this apple. Take this is for you.
I can easily get it in the garden, but you should study well. Take with you. Now I understood the value of education. I definitely go to school. I got 2 apples, one for you and one for me.
Hi friend, just a minute. Please click on like button, share my channel to our friends and subscribe so that I will meet you with more exciting videos. Thank you.